what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator and I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some decorating. I am very excited because my new armchairs finally arrived. They were on order for about 2 months with production and just like delays and stuff like that, but they finally arrived today. I have 4 big boxes, so I am gonna have to do some assembly. So I'm gonna show you guys what those look like when I'm done, and then also probably do some rearranging of my living room. So I'll show you guys what that looks like after. So here are all of the boxes. We have 4 boxes all together. It was a huge pain trying to get these up 3 flights of stairs. So gonna unbox these, figure out how to put these together. It should be pretty easy. Okay, so I got everything out of the boxes, just have to assemble them, but you guys can kind of tell they are 2 brown leather armchairs. They're like in a mid-century style, so I think I just need to put the chairs together and get the legs on. And then both of those are gonna be going in this spot right here. Eventually I wanna get like a little end table, and then this will be like a coffee / book reading area. So I'm gonna get those assembled, show you guys what they look like, and then get them in their new home. So here's the instruction manual. There's what the armchair is going to look like. So I just need to follow these instructions and get the armchairs finished. So I finally finished putting those together. It was a little bit harder than I was expecting. Would have been easier with 2 people, but unfortunately, Skylar could not help me put these together because he is working, so put these together myself. And I just need to rearrange the room a little bit. My bird of paradise is going to be too crowded now in that corner, and I'll probably move this stuff around. My couch is at like a diagonal right now, so I could get that armchair back there. But I think I'm gonna put the, what's this part called? Can't even think of it. Anyway, I'm gonna put this leg on that end instead because it'll make like more sense here since my console like sticks out this way. So this part will now be at that end, and that makes like more sense with the door and stuff. So I'm just gonna rearrange things really quickly and then show you guys after. So here is what everything is looking like so far. Switched up the couch, moved it a little more towards the console so that I have a little bit more room to get back through here. And then we've got the 2 armchairs. I may have to find a new home for the bird of paradise, but I'm not sure yet. And then at some point I want to find like a little coffee table, not a coffee table, like a little round end table in between those 2 so that it will be a very easy spot for reading and having coffee. Sorry, I'm like totally out of breath now. And then once I find a new home for this, I'll scooch those out a little bit so there's like more room in between. Maybe eventually get like a cute little area rug for this spot, but I'm super happy with it so far. So in my last Decorate With Me, I actually showed you guys the new prints that I picked up for my gallery wall. And a couple days ago, I filmed like a little behind the scenes of putting that gallery wall together. So I'm gonna insert that footage now. These armchairs are from Boho, where my couch is also from actually. So I will leave a link to Boho down below so you guys can check them out. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe for more home, thrifting, and styling videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!